Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Forms need to sign in to enter. So in here, I create this form that I want to share with the respondents, and here I'm going to set this Google form so the respondents don't need to sign in. But let's try to click on send, and here I'm going to copy the link first. For example, I accidentally set it to require with a requirement to sign in. Let's try to paste the link in here. So when the respondent try to enter the form, they need to log in first into their Google account. So what you need to do to fix it, you can just open your Google form again. So in here, go to the settings and click on this drop down on the responses section. And you need to make sure here the collect email address is on the do not collect settings like this. Don't change it. And there's also this one, the require sign in. So if you are enable this feature, the respondents will be required to sign in to their Google account. So let's try to deactivate this feature like this, and let's try to share the link again to see if it has been fixed. Okay, I'm going to paste in here again the same link, click on enter. Okay, so now you can see now the requirements the required sign-ins will no longer be there, so the respondents can easily fill in this form. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.